Okay, here's a video on how to archive a WebLink project and how to restore a WebLink project. We have a project in WebLink. We are logged on. Go to Project, Archive to Zip. It comes up with the project name that we are currently on. We hit Save. If we have saved this before, this confirm save as will come up that it already exists. We're going to hit yes. And it's as simple as that. We've archived the project that we have been working on and it puts it in the C ASI Controls WebLink Archives folder. To restore a project, we go Restore from Zip, pick a different project, hit Open. It automatically gives us an option to save the current project that we're in. I'm going to hit Cancel because we just did that. And that restores a project in WebLink. And that's how you archive and restore projects in WebLink.